Today we are going to find the radius of curvature in four forms of the function of the equation of the curve. One is Cartesian form, number two is polar form, number three is parametric form, number four is pedal form. Last class we have discussed the formulas. Note for problems. We prefer to use the Cartesian formula itself for finding rho means radius of curvature, in the case of parametric curve, also as the work will be relatively easy. That means what? Suppose parametric curve is given, we prefer to use Cartesian formula to get the required radius of curvature. So later we are discussing about that. Yes, now we are going to discussing the problems. Find the radius of curvature for the curve y is equal to c into cos hyperbolic x by c. Write down the question. Solution. Let y is equal to c into cos hyperbolic x by c. We have, see, the given curve, because of y is a function of x, we confirm this equation of the curve is in Cartesian form. So we use the formula in Cartesian, that is 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Therefore we want y1 and y2. Y is given, we find y1 means derivative of y with respect to x. The meaning, derivative of cos hyperbolic is sin hyperbolic x by c. Here c is there into c. Derivative of x by c is 1 by c. So c cancel. Sin hyperbolic of x by c is y1. And y2 is, again differentiate this with respect to x, that is derivative of sin is not minus, only plus cos hyperbolic x by c into 1 by c. Derivative of x by c is 1 by c. Therefore rho is 1 plus y1 is sin hyperbolic x by c whole square, means here sin hyperbolic square, whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is cos hyperbolic x by c into 1 by c is c. Write down this first. or next step, that is equal to 1 plus sin hyperbolic square is also equal to c times cos hyperbolic square x by c whole power 3 by 2 divided by cos hyperbolic x by c, that is rho is equal to c into, here 2 cancel, cos hyperbolic cube x by 3 x by c divided by cos hyperbolic x by c cos cancel, c into cos hyperbolic square x by c. So from the given equation, but y, from the given equation shall I write y by c equal to cos hyperbolic x by c for convenient to substitute here, and we have rho is equal to c into cos hyperbolic square x by c is y by c whole square, because y by c equal to this, so rho is equal to y square by c is the required radius of curvature of the given curve. Write on this. Over next problem. Important. Find the radius of curvature of x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy at the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 on it. Write on the question. We can easily recognize the given equation of the curve is Cartesian form because x and y is there. Solution. By data, x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. See, we want first derivative and second derivative is there in formula, that is why we differentiate the given equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we have, that is derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3a constant common. Here you apply product rule for x into y, u v dash plus v u dash, right? That is 3y square dy by dx minus 3ax into dy by dx. See, I can take left hand side to dy by dx for convenient to extract dy by dx, that is why. That is equal to 3ay minus 3x square. From this we take 3 common, y square minus 3a, 3 is also common, ax into dy by dx is equal to, here also right hand side 3 common, ay minus x square. Therefore dy by dx is nothing but y1 is 3 into ay minus x square divided by 3 into y square minus ax. 3 cancel, 3 cancel. At you apply this point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. What happen? You substitute x is equal to 3a by 2 and y is equal to 3a by 2. To this you will get y1. y1 is a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square divided by 3a by 2 whole square minus a into 3a by 2. Simplifying you will get minus 1. So first derivative we get y1. Next we find d square y by dx square, that is y2. Write on first. Over. So y2 is, mean we differentiate y1, you will get, here you differentiate this, we differentiating this again with respect to x, you will get d square y by dx square, that is y2 is equal to, so u by v form is there, so you apply quotient rule, vu dash minus uv dash by v square, you are familiar about that, y square minus ax into a y1 minus 2x minus ay minus x square into 2y into dy by dx is y1 minus a whole divided by y square minus ax whole square. I hope all of get this right. Y1 is u by v form is there. I can use the quotient rule, that is vu dash minus uv dash by v square, right? So y2 at, you apply x is equal to 3a by 2 and y is equal to 3a by 2 here also. So y2 is equal to 3a square by 4 minus a minus 3a minus of minus 3a square by 4, algebra is there, minus 3a minus a, you apply x is equal to this, is y is equal to this to get 3a square by 4 whole square. That is y2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 a square into 4a minus 3a square by 4 into 4a whole divided by 3a square by 4 whole square. Next step, y2 is minus 6a cube into 16 divided by 9 into a power 4. 2 3s are 3 3s are, so you will get minus 32 by 3a. We have row 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 by y2. Row is 1 plus y1 is 1 minus 1 whole square is plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is minus 32 by 3a. Simplifying this, row is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 divided by minus 32 divided by 3a. That is equal to, you write one more step, 2 root 2 meaning of this into 3a, take this by minus 32. So 2 16s are, you will get minus 3 root 2a divided by 16. See here actually we got negative, but we have one important note is there. We always consider radius of curvature is absolute value. Therefore absolute value is means positive. 3 root 2a divided by 16 is the required radius of curvature. Write on this. Over. Next problem. Find the radius of curvature y is equal to a into log secant x by a. Solution. We have, see this equation of the curve is also Cartesian form, that is why rho is 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Consider y is equal to a into log secant x by a. Therefore y1 is a divided by secant x by a. Derivative of secant is secant x by a into tan x by a into derivative of x by a is 1 by a, or y1 is secant cancel, a cancel, tan x by a. Also y2 is, again differentiating this, you will get y2. Derivative of tan is secant square x by a into 1 by a. Hence rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square is tan square x by a whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is a into secant square x by a. Rho is equal to a into 1 plus tan square is secant square x by a whole power 3 by 2 divided by secant square x by a. So rho is equal to a into, here 2 cancel, secant cube x by a into secant square x by a. So secant cancel, rho is equal to a into secant x by a is the required radius of curvature of the given Cartesian form of the curve. Write on this. Over. Next problem, find the radius of curvature of the curve root x plus root y is equal to root alpha at a by 4 comma a by 4. Solution: let root x plus root y is equal to root alpha is also, the equation is in the form Cartesian, so differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx. Derivative of constant is 0. So next step, or 1 by root x plus 1 by root y into y1 is dy by dx equal to 0. To take that side is 0. y1 is equal to minus 1 by root x into root y. Therefore y1 is minus y by x, root of y by x. At You apply x is equal to a by 4, y is equal to a by 4 to this. Therefore, y1 is minus root a by 4 by a by 4. So you will get cancel minus 1. And y2 is, we again differentiating this. This is u by v form. U by v form. So y2 is root x, vu dash is 1 by 2 root y into y1, vu dash minus u v dash, here minus common, by v square is x at a by 4 comma a by 4. Apply x is equal to a by 4, y is equal to a by 4. You will get y2 is minus of a by 4 into 1 by 2 root a by 4 into y1 is minus 1 minus root a by 4 into 1 by 2 root a by 4 divided by x is a by 4. Write down this first. Over. Next step, that is y2 is equal to minus of, cancel minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by a by 4. That is y2 is equal to minus of minus 1 by a by 4, that is plus 4 by a. Therefore rho is equal to 1 plus y1 is minus 1 minus into minus whole square plus 1 power 3 by 2, y2 is 4 by a, or rho is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 into a by 4, or we write one more step, meaning of this is 2 root 2 into a by 4, 2 to cancel root 2 a by 2, or rho is equal to a by root 2 is the required radius of curvature of the given curve. We recall next problem. Write down this first. or one homework problem. Try it in your home. Find the radius of curvature of the curve x square y equal to a into x square plus y square at minus 2a comma plus 2a. So this is for homework. Okay, so I will continue in next class.